Does GoDaddy support PHP? Yes, GoDaddy fully supports PHP across its hosting plans, including Linux, hosting cPanel, Windows hosting Plesk, and Managed WordPress. This enables users to develop dynamic websites and applications using PHP. 1. PHP support across hosting plans. Linux hosting cPanel offers multiple PHP versions, allowing users to select the version that best suits their application's requirements. Site turn 0 Search 10 Windows hosting. Plesk supports PHP alongside other scripting languages, providing flexibility for developers working in diverse environments. Site turn 0 Search 1 Managed WordPress. Hosting includes PHP support tailored for WordPress sites, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. Site turn 0 Search 22 supported PHP versions. GoDaddy supports a range of PHP versions to accommodate various application needs. PHP 7.4 supported through extended long-term support (LTS) until November 2026, ensuring security and stability for applications that required this version. Site turned usearch.3 PHP 8.0, available with extended support until December 2025, offering enhanced performance and new features. Citaturn of Search.3 PHP 8.1 and 8.2, supported on various hosting plans, providing access to the latest PHP features and improvements. Site turn 0 Search 8.3, managing PHP versions. Users can view and change their PHP versions through GoDaddy's hosting control panels. Linux hosting cPanel log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your hosting product and select Manage. In the settings section next to PHP version, select Manage. Choose the desired PHP version from the list and confirm the change. Site turn 0 Search 10, Windows hosting Plesk access your Plesk control panel. Go to hosting settings for the desired domain. Select the preferred PHP version from the PHP support drop-down menu and apply the changes.